Hello, I'm Mariana Bozarov, one of the Family Brief Intervention Worker.
Hi, I'm Tracy. Welcome to our presentation on school readiness.
The aim is for parents or carers to be able to support their children starting school. So the objectives are to discuss strategies of how you can support your child to develop their independence, and also to discuss strategies of how you can reduce your child's worries around starting school. We have a definition of school readiness: a good start in life in a nurturing and safe environment that enables children to survive and be physically healthy, mentally alert, emotionally secure, socially competent, and able to learn. You, as a parent or carer, have an important part of equipping your child ready for school with practical skills that will help them feel happy and confident about starting school. From birth, you will have interacted with your child and have gone through many milestones to get to this new stage in your child's life of starting school, and we know this can be a very anxious time for you and your child. Through their development, you will have noticed lots of changes, and you can continue to support your child through lots of activities such as reading, singing nursery rhymes, counting, imaginary play, and developing fine motor skills, which includes painting, drawing, holding a pencil to learn to write their name, cutting and sticking, also playing with Lego puzzles, and support dressing themselves to get used to the buttons and zips and tying shoelaces. Also interacting with adults and other children through play. By supporting your child's developing, the skills will help build self-confidence. I'm passing you over now to Tracy.
In an ideal world, what do we want for children as they enter school? We'd like them to be ambitious, active, brave, caring, confident, happy, creative, independent, flexible, excited, and to be inspired. All these abilities in reality for children is a work in progress. It is important to consider each child as an individual. Their social, emotional and behavioural needs also need to be considered. This is to support your child and their emotional health and well-being. How can you help your child? Make sure your child has a good bedtime routine. A good night's sleep will help your child cope with the demands of the school day. Your child going to bed at the same time and getting up at the same time will strengthen their body clock. By the time your child starts school, they should be nappy free during the day. You can help by encouraging your child to be as independent as possible using the toilet. This should include wiping themselves, letting them flush the toilet, and with supervision washing their hands. Consider the use of toilets, stepping stool and a toilet seat. If you're having problems with the toilet training, call your health visitor for help and support. Also, encourage your child to help with dressing and undressing themselves. Elastic waistband and Velcro shoes can help your child's confidence with these tasks. Your child will need to be able to dress and undress for PE. You can help your child to develop their motor skills and coordination skills using cones, hula hoops, balls and large trikes. Also in school, your child will be expected to hang their coat upon their peg and tidy the activities away they have been playing with in the classroom. Reducing anxiety. So talk to your child about starting school, share your happy times at school and practice the morning school run. Read stories to your child about school and going to school, and talk to your child about their future teacher. Provide opportunity to visit the school, taking a walk to the school. Have a discussion about the following things: who will take them to school, the school journey, the look of the new classroom, the teacher's name and the look of the uniform. You can also do a visual timetable to support your child with their routine before and after school, as this is a very effective resource with supporting your child in a positive way. Find photos of you and other family members at school and chat about the happy times that you spent at school. Practice a school morning routine, including getting dressed, eating breakfast in time to leave. You can have a trial run over the summer months to enable time management of your routine and get your child into practice of getting ready for school. This is where the visual timetable would support. Also, the night before school, good preparations to have your child's uniform laid out and school bag ready, and if your child prefers a packed lunch, to prepare and store in the fridge for the start of the following school day, and this will help reduce anxieties and time management.
Thank you, Tracy. It was very informative. And now, just a reminder, our top tips would be: encourage independence, boost your child with praise to support their confidence, support toilet training, help them learn about making friends, develop speaking and listening skills, teach them to recognize their name, prepare school stuff the night before, and keep consistent routines. And finally, through this presentation, we have explored how you can support your child in transition to school. We gave practical advices on how you can support your child to develop their independence. Also, we discussed strategies of how you can reduce your child's worries around starting school. We highlighted how important it is to perform simple self-care activities, including visiting washrooms, washing their hands, and preparing for snacks. Using rewards and praise for your children to provide positive reinforcement would seem beneficial. Be gentle and persistent rather than demand the solutions. Maintaining regular routines at home around mealtimes, playtimes, and bedtimes is important. The level of continuity will ensure that children have a solid foundation on which to build their skills, giving them the best possible chance of being ready for school when the times come in September.
Thank you for listening. If you require any further support with your child's health and well-being, then don't hesitate to contact our service.